Welcome to our lecture online. Let's now work out an example where we're trying to find both the general equation and the parametric equations of a line in three-dimensional space given a single point on the line and a parallel vector. Recommended is that we write down the general equation for both the general equation and the parametric equations. In other words, the general form of the equation, and then all we have to do is plug in the values. We have to realize that x sub naught, y sub naught, and z sub naught are the coordinates of the point on the line that's given. X, y, and z is just any point on the line called x, y, and z. And then we have to have a parallel vector. Notice that the general equation of parallel vector is going to be equal to a in the I direction plus b in the j direction plus c in the k direction. So then we just plug in the length of the x, y, and z components of the parallel vector in the denominators of these three fractions. So all we have to do is just plug in the numbers. So we get x minus x sub naught, which is equal to 6, divided by a, in this case a is equal to 2. That is equal to y minus y sub naught, which is 12, divided by b, b is given to us as 3, and that is equal to z minus z sub naught, which in our case is 4, and we divide that by c, the coordinate, which is 7, not the coordinate, but the length of the vector. And so this would be the equation of that particular line. We can also give you the parametric equation, simply plug in the same values. So we have x is equal to x sub naught. X sub naught is 6 plus a, in this case a is equal to 2 times t. Y is equal to y sub naught, which is 12, plus b, which is 3 times t, and z is equal to z sub naught, which is 4, plus c, which is 7 times t. And here are the three parametric equations which define the very same line. Remember, t represents the ratio of the change in the x values between the 2 points on the line divided by the length of the parallel vector, as is the same as the difference in the y values divided by the y component of the vector, the difference in the z values divided by the z component vector. It's simply the ratio of those three fractions, and that is how it's done.